What's poppin', dogs? Mr. Allen here with some evaluating of trig functions, but in this video, all 9 of our examples are going to be quadrantal angles, meaning they're not going to fall in one of my quadrants. I can't use special right triangles and that type of stuff. They're kind of special cases in a way. So one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw up my quadrants here, but I'm going to write my ordered pairs 1, 0, 0, 1, -1, 0, and 0, -1 for my quadrantal angles. So we got 0, pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, and back around to 2 pi. We're going to use these 4 to evaluate these 9 examples here, all right? So cosine of pi. Well, cosine is my x-coordinate. If I go to pi, boom, I'm at -1. So easy peasy, -1 is the first answer. Sine of 3 pi over 2. Well, 3 pi over 2 is, whoop, boom, right here. Sine is my y-coordinate. -1 is my answer right there. Dang, both of them -1. Crazy. Secant of 270. Okay, hold up. So secant is my reciprocal of cosine. So I'm looking at my cosine value at 270, which is right here. Cosine is 0. What's the reciprocal of 0? Well, it's going to be something over 0, right? Can I do something over 0? Can I divide by 0? No, I cannot divide by 0. And think about it this way. Let's just say I have, like 0 over some number. We'll call it n. If I do the reciprocal and, flip-flop, I'm going to get some number over 0 that is undefined, okay? Undefined here. So cannot do that. Cannot do it. Undefined. So you're going to find that your reciprocal functions are never going to be 0, okay? They're either going to be 1, -1, or undefined, just based on the nature of flipping these things, okay? Cosecant of -180. So cosecant goes with sine, right? So what's my sine value at -180? Sine is my y-coordinate, which is 0. If I flip 0, take the reciprocal of 0, it is undefined, okay? Next one over here, tangent of -pi over 2. So tangent is y over x, or you can think of it as, sine over cosine, but I think y over x is probably easier here with ordered pairs, right? So if I go to -pi over 2, it's this guy right down here. My y value is -1. My x value is 0. This is undefined. Oh man, we got a bunch of undefineds here. 3 in a row. Let's go for 4 in a row. I don't know. All right. Cotangent of 9 pi. What? 9 pi? Are you crazy? I am crazy. Okay, ready for this? Coterminal angles. If I go around once, that's 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, 8 pi, 9 pi. So if tangent is y over x, then cotangent is x over y. Okay, we're over here though, right? It's x over y. My x-coordinate is -1. My y-coordinate is 0. My goodness, we are once again undefined. I didn't plan this, right? I just threw these down here. I just threw out what I was feeling, man. But that's exciting. We got 4 undefineds in a row. Can we get 5? I don't know. No, we're not going to get that. It's sine. Anywho, sine of 6 pi. Again, with these weird things. Let's hear. We said 2, 4, 6 pi. We're right back here. Sine is my y-coordinate. It is 0. So knowing how to use those coterminal angles and not be freaked out by that, super helpful. Cosine of -540. My goodness, I'm going outside the 360 and the 2 pi all the time. So -540. That's going to be -360 plus another -180. I'm going to be right over here. Cosine at this spot here is going to be my x-coordinate, -1. And then last but not least, cosecant of -3 pi over 2. All right, we've got ourselves negative rotation. 3 pi over 2 is up here. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. What's my sine value here? It is 1. The reciprocal of 1 is 1. Boom. Nice. There we go. I know we often just kind of move past these or do a couple examples. We're like, oh, it's easy. It's just the values here, right? You don't have to draw triangles or know all your values of the unit circle and decide this, that, whatever. But if you don't practice them, then they're kind of confusing, right? Especially when you start dealing with some of the reciprocals or tangent and cotangent where you have to put them together, right? Sine and cosine, no big deal. But the other ones can be kind of tricky, so they take some practice. Hopefully these 9 examples helped. Sorry for the 4 undefineds in a row, but hey, it happens, whatever. I don't know what else to say. See you later.